Hi, this video is going to be on the intention and intended audiences of different types of formal texts or non-fiction texts. So first of all, we have the newspaper article, and this is going to be to inform the reader of something, so often of an event that's happened, and if we think about a newspaper article, we can tell what it looks like. It might often have a picture, but usually it's in columns. And then we have the advert. It will normally have a picture as well. And an advert is to, its purpose is to persuade its reader to buy something. And it'll use persuasive language and often use the second person, so you. Now, we can also think about persuasive language with the newspaper article too, because although its main intent is to inform someone, the writer may also be trying to persuade the reader to take a particular viewpoint on it as well. And then we have the review, so we could have like a theatre review, and the main purpose of this is to tell the reader whether to go and see what they're reviewing or not. And this will be often more explicitly biased, say, than a newspaper article, because it's told from a very obvious viewpoint. And then we have the autobiography or biography, and this is its main purpose is to inform the reader about someone's life, often to entertain them, but often if we think about celebrities' biographies, politicians, they might have an agenda behind this. They might want you to have a particular opinion of them, so they'll try and use persuasive language to do this. And then, of course, we also have the leaflet as well, and this again, like the newspaper article, is used to inform the reader about something in particular. Thanks for listening.